Well, we're definitely gonna roll over 260 today. We're going on a trip in our favorite pizza chip. Belt's even greasier than before. I should probably be carrying a spare. I believe that's called foreshadowing. Ooh. Very scenic. Don't look down. Look, snow. It's kind of pretty here. Rule number 1, no passing zone is ever empty. George sat on the cliff, overlooking the beautiful wintry valley scene before him. Mist wrapped around the mountains. The sun set in the distance. George took it all in and thought absolutely nothing. George is a cat. Unlimited power! Classic trailer pass. Confidence-inspiring handling. Jesus. Apparently this is where skiing happens. What a scenic pea spot. Don't be eating the forbidden slushy now. Look at that beautiful tow rig. Whee! Almost there. Pretty back there. Not where we're going. Hello there. Cold, desolate wasteland.
Fuck me.
Is that a Cadillac?
Yes.
Absolutely. Is that a Fleetwood? Yeah,
no.
It is. Fuck. That's a cat. Meow. Parts. Got some treasure on the trailer. I think it's treasure. Doesn't really smell like treasure. What is that? I don't know what this is or why it's here, but it's interesting. But did you look at it? What in the trailer park is this?
Auto was gone.
Why does this look like California? Kind of trashy and the sun's shining? Yeah, that must be it. Everyone exited. Thank Jesus. Hey, now it turned into a beautiful day. All right, here's the plan. If the hood flies up, we just keep driving. Aw, not Farmer Scott. We had to get out of Yakima before anyone else living in a van has to borrow our cell phones. It's the same thing, but in reverse. Whee! Starting to miss the clouds. Completely blind. under there. Very Sketchmas, everyone. Yeah, so we're on top of a mountain again, only this time it is snowing. Quite a bit, actually. This is fun. I love it.
But, okay.
Hey! You can't park here! I didn't see an elk viewing sign. M37 boom truck. It's awesome. That's a comments doing comment stuff. It's getting too spooky. Watch out, or they're gonna see the ultra rare loaded trailer double pass. Well, so next morning after driving 7 hours round trip to pick this thing up, it doesn't look any better yet. We haven't even gotten it off the trailer yet, and multiple friends have asked, when are we going demo derbying? No, there is no good side. Actually, we drove all that way for these disc brakes for Dalton's Newport. Bonus points, it's got a 360, 727, and an AC pump out of a truck. The engine turns, might even be good. They were prepping this car for some kind of racing called chain and go. Apparently, it's when you chain up all the things and then you go. You don't need a regular racing style roll bar. You just need a roll bar, pipe, tube thingy, so you don't crush your head. I'm guessing the foam mattress wrapped around the steering wheel is required as well. I am sure Taylor Apartments were happy to land this valuable advertising space. The lack of Englishing makes me uncomfortable, but, well, it did come from Yakima. We're pretty big fans of the rock screen, too. Kind of hard to see through, but so much safety. Dalton was looking high and low for disc brakes for his Newport, and this was the closest set he could find, so we went for it. Nah, it was a pretty cool drive. Just a little snow, and mountain terrain, and freezing temperatures. It was cool. Once we're done pulling the disc brakes, we might be persuaded to put the other parts back on and, I don't know, do something with this thing. Dirt rally? Crash into a tree? Or demo derby? I don't know. Admire the hard top. Also admire the lack of holes, other than the ones they added. This car was like solid when they started ruining it. Well, solid-ish. I suppose that does it. You'll see more of this thing as we start ripping gems out of it. Thanks for watching. Hey, Dalton. Remind me to grab that ground cable, would ya?